Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, I'm going to show you a Google App script I created that outputs a random exercise. So I was using an app that kind of designed my own workouts and logged everything. And it was cool because they showed you like weight and reps, and then like it would output, total weight lifted, something like that. And it would be this times this. So you could kind of see, your whole workout, like, oh, today I lifted 13,000 pounds, maybe, or today I lifted 19,000 pounds. So it's cool for kind of tracking your chronic training load or even your acute, like 7-day training load. So I decided to make my own in Google Sheets. And then I kind of said, well, what I liked about that app was it gave me a different exercise. It kind of planned out the exercise for me. So I decided to make this app script here. That's not the app script. This is the app script. And I created a function that if I just call the function, it would decide for me the exercise. Well, I thought that was pretty cool. So reverse lunge, or for example, this. So I'm going to show you how I designed this really, really simple function. And hopefully, maybe we can turn this into more of like an interface and use Google Sheets to create a whole workout app, maybe something like that, or pseudo app, whatever you want to call it. So let me get right into the random exercises function, and I'll show you the components. The function random exercise just declares an array, and in that array you can put your exercises in there. So say you wanted to do something like what don't I have in here? Jump rope, jump rope 5 minutes, something like that, and it might output 5 minutes of jump rope. But it's just about creating a more random workout. I'm not going to call this random because you have to remember that you might be weighting certain exercise types. So and also with randomness, you're never going to get true randomness. So you have to put a little star next to random. You have to be aware of sampling errors and statistical errors that you might be making. But let's not get into that. So we declare this array of all the different types of exercises we can do, and then we declare a minimum and a maximum, which is the minimum just 1, because we're going to use these numbers to call a value, call a key, or we're going to use it as a key to call a value. Minimum 1, and then the maximum is the length of this array, exercises, which is the name of this array, .length. And then we're going to return a member of this array using the random integer function I have above. I'll show you that in a second. Random integer function taking the minimum and max. So let's look at the random integer function. Function random integer accepts minimum and maximum, and it returns math.floor, math.random times brackets max minus min plus 1 plus min. So it's just that's just a little bit of math in there to get to return a kind of work within the constraints of this math function. I don't really want to get into it. The truth is I don't really know exactly how it works, but it works. So yeah, that's my my workout log. Let's do another one here. So yeah, so this is how I will most likely handle my workout today. Just go down the list. So thank you so much for watching. I ask that you please subscribe if you are new here. Please subscribe. I'm trying to speed run to 1,000 subs. That would be really cool. And thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned on this series. We are going to be making more interfaces with logs and things like that. Maybe we can add more. We can add some more depth to these metrics. So have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.